Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to add your sister to the Family Members section on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC with the latest update. It's a simple process that helps keep your profile connected with the people who matter most. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Once you're logged in, head over to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will take you directly to your personal page. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the About section. It's usually located just below your cover photo or in the sidebar. Click on About to open up more detailed options about your profile. Within the About page, find and click on Family and Relationships. This is where you can manage all your family connections on Facebook. It's a great way to share special bonds publicly or just keep track of your family tree right from your profile. Next, you'll see an option that says Add Family Member. Click on that to start adding a new relative to your list. A box will pop up asking for the name of the family member you want to add. Type your sister's name here carefully. Facebook will try to match the name to your friends or people on Facebook. Once you see your sister's profile, select it. After selecting the name, there will be a drop-down menu asking you to choose the relationship. Scroll through the options and pick Sister from the list. Finally, hit the Save button to confirm. Once saved, Facebook will update your family section to include your sister as part of your family tree. Depending on your privacy settings, she might also get a notification that you've added her family relationship. And that's it. You've successfully added your sister to your family members on Facebook with the newest update on the PC app. It's a quick and easy way to keep your profile connected and up to date with your loved ones. Thanks for watching.